Alright, so let's look at this question over here. So here we have x cubed plus y cubed is equal to y here, and it's asking us to find dy over dx. So in this case, this looks like a question where I have to use implicit differentiation, right? It seems that way because I have a y here and a y here and an x, right? It's a little bit weird, right? It's not like where we have f of x is equal to, right? We have two y's and an x, so how do we solve this? So the way I would approach this problem first is I want to take the derivative of both sides here. So let's do that. So it would be d over dx of x cubed plus y cubed is equal to the d over dx of y. Okay, so now let's take the derivative. So it would be, using our power rule that we know about, it would be 3x squared, right? Plus 3y squared. But then something important to understand about implicit differentiation is that whenever we're taking the derivative of of something with y in it, we just have to multiply it by dy dx, and that's it, right? And then same thing here, we have y here again, right? So the derivative of y is just going to be 1, but you're going to be just putting dy dx because you took the derivative. All right, so now how can we simplify this further, right? So the way to simplify this further is I want to move all of my y terms onto one side, right? Just like how you do in algebra. So you want to move your y here to this right side over there. All right, so let's do that. So our 3x squared is going to be equal to, let's just get rid of that 1 for now. So it's just going to be dy over dx, subtract 3y squared multiplied by dy over dx. All right, so now what do we do now? Now, usually in implicit differentiation, something that comes up a lot is factoring out something, right? So let's do that here. How can I simplify this further? So to isolate from my dy dx. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually factor out a dy dx from here. So let's see what we get. So 3x squared is going to equal to dy dx on the outside. And we have brackets, we're gonna have 1, right? Because it needs itself to be there. And you're gonna be subtracting out just 3y squared. Now, algebraically, all we do is move this back here by dividing it out. So 3x squared, let's write it right here, 3x squared divided by 1 minus 3y squared is going to equal your dy over dx. And that's it. That's how you can use implicit differentiation to solve this.